Happy St. Patrick's Day. We're having green pancakes and just normal eggs. I was afraid to do green eggs because I didn't think the kids would eat it. Somebody's a little off this morning, but we're doing good. We're gonna eat breakfast and go to church. Oh boy, I found some cute little leprechauns. Just kidding, elves. What do you want to call yourselves? They're all ready for church and they look so pretty. Let me see, Iris, let me see your headband. Look, it's kind of hard to see with the light flashing through the, or shining through the door. Oh, you guys are pretty. Spin around, let me see your cuteness. And Ella's about to get hers on, and Noah has some St. Patrick's Day bracelets because there wasn't much of an option for boys. So you look cute. Go get your shoes on, brush your teeth. It's time for church. They're so cute. You ready to go? Yeah? You look beautiful. Make sure you get your jackets. Yeah, I'm gonna get yours now. Oh, okay. Let's go see Ella's new nails. We have green and gold.
Mine are just all mixed.
And mixed nails and mixed nails. Pretty.
No, they're not mixed.
Oh, one's green. Do you want gold on this one too?
No.
Oh, okay. It looks beautiful. I like it. I like how creative you guys are. Okay, here's the second set. Noah is in a robin egg blue green shirt, and he has green bracelets. And Ella is in a shamrock skirt with a little cute Crazy 8 shirt that was her sister's, and some gold shoes because you know there's gold. Oh, and there's a rainbow on the wall. That's right. At the end of every rainbow is a pot of gold. There you go. Oh, your nails. Nice. Let's see your hair. What do we have in your hair? Oh, lovely. And he brushed his teeth, and he has a rainbow too. Oops, I got in the way of the rainbow. You got your cars and these awesome little bracelets. Mommy didn't paint her nails. Don't look.
I have these cars.
Yeah.
That's my phone.
You have your phone. It's a play phone. So we have cuteness here. I've got to pull the dogs in, and we have to run to church. What? St. Patrick's Day concert right here.
That's my Easter shoes.
They are your Easter shoes. Don't scuff them up.
I made them there.
They have to last for a whole nother month. Ay, Ella.
It's favorite rock.
Oh my gosh, it is a rock.
Wait, Mama.
The kids are out here playing. What? Oh, she wants to show us something. Spring flowers coming out.
I found the purple flower.
You did?
Whoa. Look back. This is the purple, white, and this blue.
No, don't smash all the spring flowers. That's not nice.
And red blue.
Yeah, there's little
Blues.
bitty blue flowers. I don't know if you can see them, but
I can see them.
yeah.
Come on. Can see them.
Oh boy, they're so pretty.
That's about Jesus.
You're gonna blow it for Jesus. You're so sweet. Oh my goodness.
Oh,
You are so
wow.
sweet.
Oh,
Yeah. Uh-oh, someone's here. Oh, stop there. It's Daddy. Daddy's home. Look at these pretty girls. I found some pretty girls.
Wait, just look up from the map.
Yeah.
Hey guys, today we'll be making fluffy slime.
Oh, fluffy slime, Noah said. Say it again, Noah.
The fluffy slime.
Fluffy slime. Oh, that's so cute.
Today we're making fluffy slime.
Fluffy slime. That's right. So you heard it. We're going to make fluffy slime. And what kind of fluffy slime are we making? It's a special edition. St. Patrick's Day. So we have green food coloring, green and gold glitter, and of course the other ingredients for fluffy slime.
In your mouth. It was just dipped in there.
Yeah, we have to monitor them.
Are you getting ready to shave your beard?
Yeah. So yeah, you have to watch the kids because Ella almost ate glitter earlier. We stopped her just in time, so you have to watch them. First, we're gonna do the glue.
Okay, now look, you have to squeeze it.
The big girls are gonna help the little ones.
I'm trying.
Oh, you can do it? Okay.
I do it.
I do it, she says. So So there's.
Mama, I got
Yeah?
Oh, he did it.
Good job, buddy. They're squirting clear glue. In the recipe or instructions, it had
I'm nervous. I'm like,
white glue. So I hope the clear glue will work. I'm really hoping it works. He's off the paper towel. Careful, buddy.
I'm done. What's next?
Okay. Let's wait for everybody else to finish and then we'll go on.
Done.
Next,
Oh, you're done. I did
your
it.
little cup of baking soda.
Ella.
Yeah, go ahead and mix it. You may have to help Noah, big sister.
Oh, no, get your baking soda. Pour it. I can mix
Good
it.
job.
It's okay.
Here a little more. There you go, baby.
Ooh, now mix it, Noah.
Nice. What do we have over here?
It's nice and pretty. Like the slime of the video.
You gotta, yeah, you gotta stir it, buddy. You have to stir.
I like this. Beautiful.
It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Okay, next is your cup of, or your bowl of water. You guys will have to help him with the water.
Can you not pour the water?
It is glass. I tried to use old plastic containers for the little kids.
Do we have to mix it?
Yep, mix it in slowly.
Beautiful.
Yeah. Next is the shaving cream. Wait, hold on. You have to do 2 to 3 cups. And Noah's, I went ahead and I wanted to see how much would go into a cup. Oh, wait, do you know how much 2 to 3 cups is?
No.
Okay, let's see if we can dump it out.
Let's see my left, Hannah.
Okay, hold on.
I got it.
Thanks, Iris. Okay, you do 2 to 3 cups of shaving cream.
Can I use my hand?
She's like, this is fun.
Like, really soft. Okay. Wow, this is so puffy.
Okay, next, you put your food coloring. Noah and Ella, I have to help you with the food coloring. Wait, hold on. We have to see how much needs to go in there.
I'm getting excited. Try 1 drop and then I'll...
Let's see how much it takes. Okay, hold on. I just don't want your clothes to get yucky. Go ahead and mix it, buddy.
Okay, I tried 1 drop and I'm gonna see how it goes.
Okay, good job.
Oh, it looks so pretty.
You can add as much or little as you want. Just remember, the more you do, the more liquidy it's gonna be. Daddy's here. Sunday fun day. We have Daddy on Sundays.
I think you should put eye contact.
Yours looks like guacamole.
Hey, I'm gonna prank people. I don't know.
No. Oh, you want help, Noah? Can I help you? Okay, let me set the camera down and I'll help you. Next is the eye contact solution. And the dog's barking, sorry. Yeah, it's awesome. Okay, so mix in the eye contact solution.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's like clouds. Oh,
You ready?
It's so pretty.
Yay, it's so cool. Keep mixing it. Go deep in the bowl so that way you get the bottom. Good job, buddy. Do you need mommy's help? Can mommy help you?
Can I mix with my hand?
You done?
Mommy's
Wow. Look at Noah.
Is it like
Oh my
green
gosh.
that I can really like feel the clouds?
They have been begging for puppy slime, and just for one reason or another, we haven't done it. I know, baby. Hey, can one of your sisters help you mix it, buddy? Iris's slime is about to give me a panic attack, and I don't even have anxiety. Like, I don't get anxiety, but it's like, yeah.
And mine's doing the same
Oh,
thing.
great. Noah started.
See, mine's doing the same thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah, this is the way I want to go wash my hands. It's meant to be sticky and crazy. But it's okay to wash, but it's definitely not so good to wash in clothes.
How are you doing, kiddo?
Okay, now let me help you. It's sticky.
Oh, my gosh.
How do I get this off?
I don't really know.
Oh, wait, I got it.
Do you need more shaving cream?
Yes, more. Please.
You're like, panic. It's freaking me out, too.
I want to do it.
See how much shaving cream we can put in. Oh my gosh.
It's too messy.
It is messy. Oh my gosh. If you want to add glitter, you can add glitter. Noah, I have to help you with the glitter, little guy. We'll let
Nice and good.
you see what Ella's doing here.
I'm the slime monster. Oh, look.
Is it getting thicker now? Good, yay. Noah, how you doing, buddy? Oh my gosh. This is the mom saying, I always say, don't panic, don't freak out. Don't panic, don't freak out. You need more shaving?
I've seen somebody make it and sure.
Like Mila's is like right on.
It works.
Oh, good. Okay. So you just need more. You might. Yeah. Work yours in, girly. Ooh, nice slime.
Okay, nice.
Oh my gosh, that is awesome. This is like Mila's dream come true. Oh my gosh, look at Ella.
It's so pretty. I have green nails too, so it matches.
Yeah. Yeah, this is not a toddler activity or a preschooler activity, by the way. I'm discovering. Hold on, buddy, I'll help you. I can't get the camera to turn it or anything. Like my hands are in so much goo trying to help Ella.
It's easy to come off. It's so fun, actually.
This is fun. This might be the last time we make puppy slime with tiny kids.
Oh, look how it's going.
Good. That's Iris's. Mila is helping Iris.
Because I am the slime monster.
That's awesome.
You're sticky.
Oh my gosh. Watch this. Shh, guys. Shh, shh. This is so fun.
I'm glad you guys are having fun.
Guys, watch this. Watch this. Oh my gosh. Oh. Guys, do you see this? Look. How in the world did you make that? In a slime bottle right there. I pranked you. Uh-oh. Ready, set. That was my slime. I'm trying to make the fart. I'm trying to make it out.
Never do like that and that.
It's
I'm trying to figure out how Iris made the thing fart.
She probably had a bubble in there somehow.
Okay, look, this is how you do it.
Whoa, good
Wait,
job.
I will try.
Oops, my slice.
One more trick and you guys have to eat pizza.
Okay.
Ella, we'll start with you. Do you have another trick? What's that? Uh-oh. Bubble action over here. There's Iris's trick. Oh. That's so funny. Mila, do you have a cool trick up your sleeve?
That's my third trick with the bubble.
Okay.
I'm trying to do.
That's okay.
I'm trying to do this trick that everybody does. They can't do it.
Mama, come on. I can show my trick. It's stretch it.
Oh, she got it.
Oh, I'm watching, I'm watching.
Mama.
Whoa. Do it, do it, do it. Oh, we got a bubble. Oh. Wow, good job. Okay, let me see if Mila's ready. She's still working on it. Okay, Iris?
I'm done.
You're done? Okay. Whoa, I think Mila's working on her bubble now. Oh, you coughed in your slime. Oh, you're almost there, Mila. Uh-oh. No. Maybe you can let her try. Iris, can you let Mila try? Oh. Whoa. Can you let Mila try a bubble on yours?
It's okay.
Okay.
Mila, look. Here. We'll eat pizza.
Pizza time.
Mama.
Yes, love.
Look, I'm gonna show you one trick. Watch. Mama, watch.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. You sure?
Mama, come on.
Okay, we'll give Mila a try on Iris's. Oh yeah. We'll give Mila a try on Iris's so she can make a bubble. That's like her dream. I see it.
Wow.
I think, yeah, there you go. Oh, there you go.
You know, like this, and then.
Yeah. There you go.
Come on. Now come on.
Whoa!